Dr. Sayeshi. I have done my MBBS from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. It comes under Manipal University. There are two campuses, one in Manipal, second one in Mangalore. I have done my MBBS from the Mangalore campus. So we have two buildings. One is in Bijay, where we do our first year. The second campus where we get shifted to in second year is the Lighthouse campus. So all the theory lectures from second year happen in Lighthouse campus. First years are kept separate from everyone because it's like you've just come from your home, so it's more like homely feeling. The hostel and the classes are in the same campus. You don't have to go outside the campus. And in second year, the building and the hospitals are scattered around the city. We don't really have a campus like Manipal, but that's the best part of living in the heart of the city. So our main college building is in the center of the city, and we have 5 hospitals. So one is our private hospital, which is in Attawar. Then second one is in Jyoti Circle. And then we have 3 hospitals which are government hospitals. So there is a public-private partnership in Mangalore College. So one is Government Venlock District Hospital, where we get postings for all the branches except for pediatrics and OBG, because there are 2 separate entire hospitals for these 2 branches. We have one Lady Goshen Hospital for obstetrics and gynecology, and one RAPCC, which is a regional advanced pediatric center. So all the cases from nearby small towns and cities, they come to this because this is the main district center. So the exposure and patient inflow is really good, and we get the exposure of how a government hospital works and even private hospital, because we get postings in both Attawar and in Venlock Hospital, and also OBG in Lady Goshen and pediatrics in RAPCC. So my experience in the college was really good. Infrastructure wise, like you see, there are so many hospitals, and the staff is amazing because they don't really spoon feed you, but they will make sure that they will give you tasks and homeworks that you finish and come. The postings, case taking is very important in every department. Every day there will be one case presentation, and it always goes roll number wise, so you cannot skip any case presentation. Everyone will get a chance, and every exam case they will make sure that you have presented before your final exams in every year. So that is really good. Then coming about the labs that we have, so we have labs in our Lighthouse campus also and in the private setup also. So you're getting exposure again for public and private. Practical exposure, I'll talk about internship specially because we are posted at multiple places. Mainly Venlock Hospital is the one where you get a really good exposure. The casualty emergency duties are completely handled by interns with support from PGs, but the first initial assessment is done by interns where we get to learn a lot. And then the second approach is to the PGs, that is when they come into the picture and they guide us. We will learn suturing, basic ascitic tap, and even pleural tap. So basics of everything, even putting a cannula, as basic as that, they will teach you everything. Even the sisters are very helpful. They will teach you every small procedure. Then in the private hospital also, you get to scrub in surgeries, and in government hospital you may even get chances after the staff has some trust on you that yes, you have learned the basic skills. Everything will be under guidance. Obviously we are just MBBS students, so everything will be under guidance, but you will get hands-on experience in internship, which is really good. And coming to second year and third year labs, we have really good lab facilities in pathology, in pharmacology, in biochem. We have amazing specimens, and the teaching staff is also very good. They are very interested in teaching, so you will enjoy the theory classes as well in second year and third year. I would definitely recommend my juniors to go for Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, because it's a wholesome experience. I have only spoken about academics, but they also focus on extracurriculars. You will see your every staff also has some extra talent. They are not just doctors, but they are musicians and dancers and comedians and everything. So it is a wholesome process of becoming a doctor and something more than a doctor. Like, share and subscribe to Medical Mentor. Thank you.